We're at the Sundial in South Hedland, and this is my human clock. Okay, human clock person, what do you call this, love? Oh, what's the
Analemmatic sundial
at what?
At Hedland South.
What is the time, please?
Alright, I'm standing on the G. I raise my hands in the air, and
It's time to get some deodorant.
after 11:30, maybe quarter to 12.
It's not time to get deodorant. Oh man, look, and the hands on the clock. That is really cool. It's got some lovely art on it.
Yeah,
My clock's playing up.
clever.
My clock's going to tell me to tick off in a minute, but it's got all these beautiful, to come this way and then I'm in the sun, but we've got a boab tree, we've got a kangaroo, we've got a echidna, turtles, lots of other pictures on the clock, fish, and it's all tied up to do with the seasons of the year,
Yeah.
when Aboriginal people could get their food sources. It works really clever. Here's a crab. Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's time we went somewhere else.
Time to go somewhere else.